Dear students, in this problem, to find the mean, the formula is sigma fi in xi divided by sigma fi. To find sigma fi xi, in this column sum we need to find. And to find the sigma fi, we have to find the sum of the column fi. This column, sum we will get it as a 30, and sigma fi xi we will get it as a 1779. So right here now sigma fi xi, that is 1779 divided by 30. Sigma fi is a 30. So when you want divide here 30,779. 35 is a 150, 36 is a 180. So I'll write 35 is a 150. So you are left with 7 minus 0, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 279. Again 30. 9s are 270. So you are getting 9. So put one point, decimal point, take 1 0. 33 is a 90. Left with 0. So answer is 59.3. In this method, in this way we found out mean in a ungrouped data. In this 10th standard, we shall extend the study of finding mean, median and mode in a grouped data. There are 3 methods to find the mean, that is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Due to COVID-19, government has reduced your syllabus. So in this chapter they are reduced the method of finding assumed mean method and step deviation method of finding mean. So let us learn how to find the mean by direct method in a grouped data. Dear students, I written here one example, that is to find the mean of this given data. One tabular column they are given, class interval and frequency. So this is a grouped 0 to 10 one group, 10 to 20 another group, 20 to 30 one more group and 30 to 40 similarly 40 to 50. So frequencies below that respective frequencies they are given. Now to find the mean you have to draw the tabular column as earlier, but here one column is extra. So first column and second column, what the questions they are given, same you have to write in this column. That is class interval 0 to 10, below you are writing till 40 to 50. Then frequency column also you are writing, their corresponding frequencies you must write. Then third column xi, that is the class mark. How to find the class mark? That is the midpoint of the given class interval. So here see, in the given class interval there are 2 datas is there. One is 0, one is 10. In this first one, 0 is called as a lower limit of the given class interval and 10 is the upper limit of the given class interval. To find the class mark, that is xi, you have to add lower limit and upper limit and dividing by 2. Why we are dividing by 2? Because only 2 datas they are given. One is lower limit, one is upper limit. So I'll add now 0 plus 10. You are getting the sum 10. 10 divided by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. Next, in the same way, next one, 10 is a lower limit, 20 is a upper limit. So I'll add these two numbers, 10 plus 20, 30. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Next one, 20 and 30. 20 to 30. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. Similarly, 30 plus 40, 70. 70 divided by 2, 35. Next, 40 to 50. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 divided by 2, 45. To find the class mark, in a given class interval, there are two data. One is upper limit and lower limit. You have to add those two numbers and you have to divide by 2 to get the respective class marks. Now, to find Fi and Xi, here frequency column and Xi, class mark column is there. You have to multiply these two numbers, Fi, Xi, Fi, Xi. Okay, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Next, 5 15s are 15 5s are 75. 25 9s are 225. 35 5s are 175. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. 45 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 135. Now again same formula, mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. So here same way, sigma Fi Xi column sum you have to find out, and here sigma Fi column sum also you have to find out. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 5 22, plus 3 25. Sigma Fi. Now sigma Fi Xi column, 5 plus 5 10, 15, 20, 25. 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, 12, 19, 19 plus 3 22. Again 2 carry. 2 plus 2 4, 5 6. So sigma Fi Xi you will get it as a 625. Now write here in the place of sigma Fi Xi, we have to write 625 divided by sigma Fi is a 25. 625 divided by 25. Don't cancel 25 and 25. So 625, 25 ones are 25, 25s are 25 square is 625. So 25, 25 is so X bar arithmetic here mean is a 25. The mean of the given data is 25. See children, the class interval and frequencies what they are given you have to write as it is. To find the class mark you have to add the upper limit and lower limit of the given data and dividing by 2. So you will get the midpoint of that given class interval. Then find the product of frequency and class mark, that is sigma Fi and Xi. Then find the sum, that is sigma Fi Xi. Then find the sum of frequencies, that is sigma Fi. Then write the formula, mean and its formula. Then substitute the values of sigma Fi Xi and sigma Fi. Then you will get the mean of the given group data.